Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's question might surprise you. Do you actually need a bank account to use Venmo? Let's face it, in today's world, convenience is king. We crave apps that streamline our finances, letting us ditch the hassle of checks and cash. Venmo, a popular peer-to-peer payment app, seems to fit that bill perfectly. You can send money to friends, split bills with roommates, or even pay for small purchases at participating businesses, all with just a few taps on your phone. Sounds pretty handy, right? But here's the thing, while Venmo offers a ton of functionality, it's important to understand exactly what it is and what it isn't. So, before you ditch your bank account entirely and rely solely on Venmo, let's dive deeper and explore the world of digital payments. Transition music. The power of a bank account, your financial foundation. Think of your bank account as the central hub of your financial life. It's where your money is deposited, secured, and readily accessible. You can use it to pay bills, receive your paycheck, and even build savings for future goals. Banks offer a wide range of services, from debit cards for everyday purchases to ATM access for cash withdrawals. They also provide crucial security features, protecting your hard-earned money from fraud and theft. Venmo, the social side of money. Now, Venmo steps in as a fantastic tool for managing everyday transactions with friends and family. It's like a digital piggy bank shared amongst your social circle. Splitting a restaurant bill? Venmo can handle it. Need to pay your friend back for concert tickets? Done in seconds with Venmo. What makes it truly shine is its social aspect. You can personalize payments with emojis, add comments, and even see a public feed of transactions amongst your friends, with privacy settings, of course. Transition music. So, can you ditch the bank completely? The short answer, no. Here's the key takeaway: Venmo, despite its convenience, isn't a replacement for a traditional bank account. Here's why. Limited features. While Venmo allows for basic money transfers, it lacks many features crucial for everyday finance. You can't deposit checks, build savings accounts, or access lines of credit. Limited security. While Venmo utilizes security measures, it doesn't offer the same level of protection as a bank. Banks are heavily regulated and insured, minimizing the risk of losing your money in case of fraud or theft. Not FDIC insured. Unlike bank accounts, funds held in Venmo aren't insured by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC. This means if something were to happen to Venmo, your money wouldn't be protected. The perfect combo: bank account and Venmo working together. Here's the good news: you can leverage the strengths of both. Your bank account remains the foundation for your finances, while Venmo acts as a supercharged way to manage everyday transactions with your social circle. Think of it like this: your bank account is your vault, holding your main stash of cash. Venmo, on the other hand, is your everyday wallet, perfect for quick and convenient transfers between friends. Making the most of Venmo. To ensure a smooth Venmo experience, keep these things in mind. Link a bank account. While not mandatory, linking your bank account to Venmo allows for instant transfers and avoids relying solely on your Venmo balance. Be mindful of fees. Venmo charges a small fee for certain transactions, so be aware of these before sending or requesting money. Prioritize security. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be cautious about who you send money to. Don't be pressured into sending funds to strangers or for suspicious activities. Venmo, a valuable tool, but not a standalone solution. By understanding the distinct roles of bank accounts and Venmo, you can create a dynamic financial system that works for you. Your bank account remains the secure foundation, while Venmo adds a layer of convenient social payments. So, ditch the notion of ditching your bank. Instead, embrace the power of having both in your financial arsenal. Outro music. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned for more personal finance tips and tricks to keep you ahead of the game.